Now moving towards the method number 2, that is by using a join and an insert method. So first we are again going to initialize our strings, and we have an input from the user, and we have an index from the user, that on which location does he need it. After that we are converting our string number 1 into the list, and we are storing them into the string number 3. And after conversion of them, we are going to insert the string number 2 at that specific location using an insert method. And after that we are going to add the string number 3, that is we are going to join the string number 3. Since we have converted it into the list, so the elements will be separated with the commas, so we need to join them together. So that's why we are joining them, and we are storing them into the string number 3, and we have them as an output. Let me show you. Triple A, and I need to triple C, and I need to add a B in between the third index, and done.